Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introducing myself. My name is Fikram Altaf Muyasar. In this video, I will explain and practice the use of Elastic Cloud Server. ECS, Elastic Computer Service. What is ECS? ECS is a computing service offered by Alibaba Cloud. These servers allow you to run virtual machine running in Alibaba Cloud environment. Virtual machine that operate on top of Alibaba Cloud infrastructure, providing dedicated computing resources such as CPU, RAM, and storage. What can be ECS? You can select instance specification that suit the specific need of the application. Alibaba Cloud offered a variety of ECS instances type and specification, allowing users to customize the number of CPU, RAM capacity, storage type, and networking they need. And apart from flexibility in selection specification, ECS also provides various types of storage such as SSD basic storage for higher data access speeds or HDD based storage for lower capacity and low cost. The network used by ECS also customizable, allowing users to choose the bandwidth and network speed according to their application need. Its benefit: 1. Flexible and efficient. Alibaba Cloud provides a variety of management tools and services to facilitate the management and monitoring of ECS instances. 2. Redundancy and stability. ECS instances on Alibaba Cloud are supported by a highly distributed and reliable infrastructure. This ensures high availability and redundancy, so your application to continue to run even if a single physical server fails. 3. Reduce expenses. Using ECS instance can reduce operational costs and capital investment associated with owning and managing physical server. Instead of purchasing and maintaining physical hardware, you pay based on ECS usage. Let's start the practical session. Step 1. Login to Alibaba using a student account. Because here I'm already have an account, so I just have to log in. Now, step 2. After logging in, go to the console menu at the top right of the web. Step 3. If you have entered the console menu, click the three line in the top left corner. Now, step 4. If the menu from the previous three line has opened as shown in the image below, continue by search from the keyword Elastic Computer Service and click it. Step 5. If you have moved the other menu, there will be a display like the one below and you can immediately click Create EAC. Step 6. After entering creation, several menus will appear that we can configure to suit our server needs. Step 7. Payment options are divided into three: 1. Subscription. Instant subscriptions are a great way to save on ECA's costs if you have long-term unpredictable workload. Elastic Computer Server (ECS) provides even more saving for a longer subscription. This section describes billing rules of subscription ECS resource. 2. Pay-as-you-go. Pay-as-you-go is a billing method that allows you to use resources first and pay for them later. You can create or release Elastic Computer Server (ECS) resource and demand without long-term commitment or upfront payment and only pay as you go. 3. Privatible. Privatible extensions are a type of on-demand extension of fruit at a discount compared to pay-as-you-go. Their privatible extensions are designed to minimize the cost of Elastic Computer Service (ECS) extension in certain scenarios. Step 8. Region section. Region is the location of the data center, and in this case, it's recommended to choose the region closest to our client location. This aims to optimize service performance and reduce latency. Extensions. In this menu, we can select a page. The direction include memory, clock speed, network, bandwidth, with having to selection other menu because this extension has already been set up and all we have to do is run the server. Step 10. Image. This menu functional of determines the operating system that will run on the server needed by your business. Example with Linux or Red Hat or Debian. Step 11. Storage. In this menu, you are required to create a data disk using the subscription or pay-as-you-go method to increase the storage space for your Elastic Computer Service (ECS) extension. We recommended that you determine the number and capacity of this request before create one. You can use SSD or HDD. Step 12. Bandwidth and security group. On this page, we make setting for the network bandwidth and also the security of the server that will be create network bandwidth in the maximum amount of data that can be transferred over a network in a certain period of time, usually 1 second. Higher network bandwidth allows the transfer of larger amounts of data in the same time period. Step 13. Management. Specifically for creating a password for the server, then will be used make sure is use symbol, operator, letter, and number. Step 14. Create order. If so, you just need to create an order to release your server that has been configured and you can adjust the quantity according to the needs of your business server.